Start. I have been, I have not been, I have the honor, I have great pleasure, I may tell you, I may be, I may not be, I might not be, I am glad that, I am glad to know that, I may have been, I may not have been, I am in a position, I am not in a position, I am afraid, I will be, I will have, I will not have, I will be glad, I will not be able to, I will say, I will not say, I had to be, I do not want, I do not know, I did not want, I did not know, I do not have, I did not have, I do not think, I did not think, I could be, I could not be, I can be, I cannot be, I could have been, I could not have been, I can do, I cannot do, I could not do, I can think, I cannot think, I can give you, I cannot give you, I can say, I cannot say, I should be, I should not be, I would be, I would not be, I want to be, I do not want to be, I would have been, I would not have been, I would do, I would be glad, I will be glad to know, I shall be glad to know, I shall not be, I think you will be, I think it will be, I think it will not be, I must be, I must see, I must not be, I must say, I regret to say, I am sorry to say, I hope, I cannot be, I can have, why do you, why did you, why have you, why is it, why have not, how much, how many, how will you, how are you, how can you, how can they, how long, you will be able to, you will become, you will not be, you will not be able to, you may be, you might be, you might not be, you might not be, you may not be, you will find, you will not find, you will have, you will not have, you can be, you cannot be, you can have, you cannot have, you could have, you could not have, you may not have, you might not have, you are, I hope to be, I hope you will be, you should not be, you will say, you will not say, you will become, you will not become, you must be, you must not be, you will consider, you can do, you cannot do, you can understand, you are able to, you are not able to, you are aware, you are not aware, you can only be, when do you, when did you, when we are, when they, when we have, when you, whenever we, when the, when we hope, when we get, when we will, whenever we have, what do you, what did you, what happened, what can be, what could be, what could be said, you are not, you should have, you should not have, What do they? What has been? What had been? What was required? What is required? What was the? What would be? What is the? What is it? What is the matter? What is the position? What was the matter? What will be? What are you? What may be? What might be? What have you? Would be? Would be able to? Would have been? Would not have been? Would you? Would you be able to? With his? With which? With each? With much? With one another? With such? With this matter? With those? With this? What could be done? What do you mean? What are the? With regard to that? With regard to this? Of course. Of it? Of him? Of whom? Of his own? Of some? Of the case? Of this case? Of this class? Of this country? Of the country? Of the committee? Of the government? Of this kind? Of this department? Of this matter? Of this month? Of those who are? Of those who have? Of which? Of us? Of your letter? Of your department? Of your sister? Of your mother? Of you? Of your own? Of her? Of their own? With these? With the result? With you? With whom? With reference? With regard to the? To believe? To bring up? To bring about? To call his attention? To call the attention? To consider the matter? To do? Today? To give? To go? To have been? To its? To look into? To me? To him? To whom? To mention? To one another? To propose? To regard? To serve? To state? To such? To take? To the contrary? To this matter? To there? To those who? To this? To the? To a certain extent? To some extent? To a great extent? To a large extent? To a very great extent? To the effect? Together with? To say a few words? To someone? To some other? To draw the attention? To speak? Too high? Too three? Too little? Too long? Too many? Too much? All of us? All places? All question? Already? All right? All sorts of? All that is? All those who are? All round? All circumstances? All I can say is that? All the more? All of a sudden? All we want? All I want? All of you? All you can do? To these? To try? To us? To his? To which? To your letter? To deal with? To have? To think? On every subject? On his behalf? On your behalf? On my behalf? On our behalf? on our part, on one point, on such, on the one hand, on the other hand, on the other side, on the basis of, on the part of, on his way, on this subject, on the face of it, on this statement, on this side, on the way, on your part, on that day, on this day, on this date, on the occasion, but something, but this would be, but we have, all the men, all the same, on account of, on the, on account of this, on account of the, on account of your, on which, but you were not, should be able to, should not be able to, should be considered, should become, should be glad, should have been, should not have been, should understand, should we think, ought to be, ought to have done, ought to have been, ought to be considered, who is not, who was not, who have been, who have not been, who has been, who has not been, who will be, who will not be, but we have been, but we have to be, but we may be, but we might be, but when, but would not be, but you will be, but you will have, but you are not, who were not, as the, as and when, as to the, as a whole, as a result, as I know, as the case may be, as much as far as I know, as far as we know, as a matter of fact, as is, as early as possible, as fast as good as it was, as it were, as it would, as long as many as well as soon as has been, is it, who might be, who can be, who cannot be, who could be, who are not, who would be, who should have been, who were, as we may, as we can, as we shall, as we all know, as we do, first ever, first thing, first instance, first hand information, first quality, first class, first aid, first and foremost, first place, first hand, first of all, first position, first and last, we will be, it will be, it will not be, it should be, it should not be, it is not, it has not been, it should have been. स्टॉप। चलिए भाई, अच्छी बात है।